Hi, Holly. My name's Christian with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use on your own to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you, so they're not going to be handed out to multiple different agents and playing the game of who paid the most money to get these leads. So I actually noticed that you do have a website, HannahandHollyMakeItHappen.com. So that's awesome. Really glad to see that. Super cool. So I am going to click on it. Also, I'm glad to see that it does show that you're a realtor. Pretty much everywhere on your Facebook you have posted you're a realtor. So that's great. A lot of realtors don't have that. So believe it or not, they don't. They're a realtor, but no one even knows it. So you have that known, and I'm really glad to see that. So click on the link here. It looks like this is kind of, it looks like potentially I don't know if you built this website or if this is like a runoff of Berkshire Hathaway. But either way, pretty basic. So either way, here's the deal. So as far as the website goes, a couple things we're going to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. The first is content. So Google and all search engines love content. Content is king. But especially with real estate websites, content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos, how the photos are saved, what's behind the photos, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. And so keep in mind this. Now, this is a very basic website. I don't even know how much effort you're putting into it. I would suggest potentially making your own separate from Berkshire. I mean, obviously you have to support Berkshire because that's the brokerage, but I think this may be a redirect. I think they may have done this for you, like on the house. But either way, photos, 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 especially in real estate website. You got the IDX feed and you have all the listing photos. How the photos are saved is read by search engines. So keep that in mind. So if your photos are saved as random letters and numbers or download or JPEG or whatever, it's not going to bring you any value. You need to have good content in all those photos, every single one of them, to help rank your website. Very important in a real estate website. So key content right there. Next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories, which would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All those directories are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher you're going to rank on this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in St. Louis, Missouri Realtors, right? We got Garcia Properties, Coldwell Banker, we got Herman London, okay? So I don't see Hannah and Holly making it happen in the map pack, but I also don't see Hannah and Holly here, and I actually don't see Berkshire Hathaway anywhere either. So how many leads are you actually getting from your website? That's the real question, right? This is where you want your website to be on the first page. Another thing I want to point out, and I'm not sure if you're a brokerage or if you're a broker or have a brokerage license, how big you're trying to get, but point is that even if you're just a realtor with no broker's license, you can have a Google My Business page. So get one. We got David Townsend here. We got Jacobs Meyer. We got Scott Gilbert. Joe Mendelson. Thomas and Turner. So get your own Google My Business page. If you have one, I apologize for not noticing it. But if I can't find it, the customers can't find it. Clients can't find it. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to use Remax David Townsend and his Google My Business page. So this is what it's going to look like. You're going to get one of your own. You can use your broker's address for the listing. If they won't let you use their address, which they should, most do, then you can use your own home address and then just hide it from the public. So that can be, you can have the address not show up if that's of concern. Next, reviews. So obviously reviews are super important. We recommend 25 reviews, but at minimum, you want more than your competitors have. So if David has 6, you're going to want 7. But 25 is that real number that we want to hit. Next is photos. So very important. These Google Drive-By photos don't count. These don't count at all. But what do count are the ones that you upload, okay? So we recommend 10. So it looks like David only has 4 or 5. We recommend 10. So you're going to want to put 10 photos in, and you're going to want to make sure you save all those photos the right way. And that's going to help with your citations and your reviews rank you up. In St. Louis, Missouri Realtors, you'll be on this first page. You're gonna get calls from it. You're gonna get calls, okay? And if not, right here. And then you can rank your website if you do the proper content and backlinks, and you can be on the first page. So just imagine the value that you'd be able to bring to the world if you're on the first page and you're in the top page of the map pack. I mean, it's a no-brainer. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your URL can be found. So anywhere that HannahandHollyMakingItHappen.com can be found, okay? Like I said, I think this is a Berkshire Hathaway kind of a redirect from your website to theirs. But either way, remember that not all backlinks are created equal. So I actually am not pulling up any data for backlinks, which leads me to believe you may not have any. And you have no keywords you're ranking for, and your domain rating is a 2.3. This is a 2.3 out of 100. So I would highly suggest doing your homework and getting yourself some valuable backlinks. The thing to keep in mind is that you want backlinks that are coming from relevant sites that are not spammy. Very important. Get your domain rating up. That will help your power, and the more power you have, the more visible you're going to become, and the more money you're going to make, and the leads you're going to get. So this is a tool we use called Ahrefs, and it goes into a lot of detail on your particular website. So other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business to bring you some leads and some more money. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us, and thank you very much for watching.